goose egg and turkey egg so my parents can try them.
Welcome back to our channel. Some of you may know that we are going out of town. We are going to Jason's parents' house over the week. So today we had to get everything ready. It did start raining, so it's raining outside, and we had to get everything ready before then, so we didn't film any of it. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what we got done and to make sure everything's ready. Jared will still be here, so he'll be able to take care of the animals when he gets home from work. But these guys are acting like they're hungry, so I'm gonna give them a little bit of food, but they've already eaten, so they don't really need it, but I'll just give them a little bit. So we got a bunch of grass just from our yard and we put it inside here with the quail. So we covered the entire bottom with grass, so that they'll have plenty, you know, while we're gone, which should be fine. They got plenty of water and food. And like I said, Jared will be here throughout the week, so he is, you know, gonna take care of him when he gets home from work. But we just like to be cautious and make sure everyone's taken care of just in case, you know, Jared gets stuck in traffic or whatever the case may be. We just want everyone, all these guys, to be well taken care of while we're not home. So as you can see here, we got the rabbit plenty of food. Like, this stuff is just stacks on stacks of greens. So little Miss Jessica Rabbit should be fine while we're gone, and I know this is what you guys are waiting to see. Stainer. Stainer's just such a good boy, you guys. Here comes the other guys. Hey, Grandma. So our goats are actually pregnant, the two females that we have. I know we've said before we weren't going to breed Grandma anymore, but we still have Bam Bam, so there's kind of no going about that unless we separate them, and we just haven't. So they're both knocked up, but they should be due like this month, probably, most likely. We think they got pregnant in November, I think. So they should be due this month, so we're super excited about some new kids on the farm. We can't wait for that to happen. Hopefully it doesn't happen while we're gone, but I don't think that will be the case. I'm sure we'll be here. Unless it happens this week or the first week of May, then we will not be here, but hopefully that's not the case, and hopefully we'll be here whenever they do give birth. Oh no, it looks like an egg cracked. I don't know who did that, but it wasn't me. Check this out. Lots of eggs. Any in here? No. We do have a hen over here in her nesting box, so we've been getting plenty of eggs, as you know. So we're gonna take some down to Jason's parents, and we are also taking 3 of our baby chicks, not the ones that just hatched, these other ones that are a few months old. We're taking 3 of those, and then we are going to take 3 of our bigger hens that are already laying, and I think we're going to take 3 reds of the big hens, and then 2 small reds, and then 1 smaller, I think it's a red mix. It's got feathers on its feet, but I think that's the plan right now, so Jason's parents can have some farm fresh eggs every day and not have to go to the store to buy any eggs. As you can see, old cone heads over here still have the cones on their heads. The doctor said, yeah, you're gonna have to leave them on for 2 weeks and blah, blah, blah. And we were like, yeah, no way, that's not gonna happen. As soon as we get home, those things are gonna be off, and they're still on. So It's been, I think this is day 3, 2 or 3, and they still have them on, so I guess we were wrong. Those are pretty durable cones, I guess. Well, Bam Bam at it again. We are going to miss all the guys, but we'll only be gone for a few days. There's all the little chickens. They're all doing really good. They're getting so big. Oh, little Stainer, my shadow over here. Anywhere we go, he just follows. He might stop to eat grass here and there, but if we kneel down, he'll come running. Right, Stainer? Stainer! See, he knows his name and everything. Stainer! Stainer! You're welcome. So let's go check on Jason. What are you doing?
Collecting eggs.
I see that one was cracked.
We made the mistake of putting a little barrel. Well, I did it like that because it was raining so bad, so the goats could get in there yesterday. But they like to jump on the little one and then jump on the big one, and we had some eggs up there. But these are from today.
Wowsies.
Which there's like 6 or 7 duck eggs out there in the nest. I don't know if you saw them earlier.
No, I didn't.
Remember where they were the other day?
Yeah.
That's where the ducks are laying their eggs.
Let's go check it out.
One duck egg was in there. So we got a little nest. Actually, there's more than 6.
Oh, wow. Looks like the ducks found them in a cozy little nesting area.
They're not sitting on them or anything, but they are laying them there. Which, as of right now, we're not really using our duck eggs. So I think I might actually mark all these, and then when we come back, whatever's there, maybe we can put those in the incubator. Because that'd be cool to hatch out some ducks.
Yeah.
Since I'm not really sure if we're going to get any turkey or goose eggs right now.
Or at least enough.
Yeah. What would you guys think if we turned maybe this big log right here, that's pretty big, into a mantle for the house? That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it?
For Jared's house?
Yeah. Because we haven't built our house yet. And it'd be kind of weird if we put a big mantle in the camper, don't you think?
Why not? Let's do it.
Guys, do y'all see this very poor excuse of a pond? We put a water trough up over there close to the house so we could fill it up every day because this is pitiful and nasty. The ducks will get in it, but they don't really drink from this. So we're gonna let this dry out and then we're gonna redo this pond, but for now, just let it dry out and keep a water trough over there full so they can have good fresh water, but hopefully when we come back from this trip, it'll be lower and then we could dump out some of the water and redo it because it's pretty
I don't think that by the time we get back it's gonna be dried up just because it's supposed to rain a couple more times while we're gone.
I ain't expecting it to dry up, just to be a little less.
I don't think it's gonna be a little less.
Anyways, I am not dealing with it before we leave, is what I'm saying.
Well, I think once we get back and the weather starts warming up, once the sun's out there for a couple of days, it's gonna dry up pretty quickly.
Yeah.
Stainer's trying to eat my pants. So now we have to go pack and get ready for tomorrow. We have a lot of stuff to do. We have to get the truck registered.
Early in the morning, and then we gotta get inspected and registered.
Yep.
So that's gonna be fun. Then we gotta load everything, load the chickens, load the dog, and hopefully not hit any traffic while we're going down there. But it's probably gonna happen.
So we're gonna go pack and get ready, and then see what else we need to do today.
Yep.
It's starting to rain. I can feel it. I can feel the raindrops. So unfortunately, probably won't get a whole lot done today as far as anything that we need to do outside, but it is what it is. So we're just gonna go pack for now and see how the rest of the day goes. As you guys can see, we have a ton of eggs. So we're gonna take a few dozen to Jason's parents' house so that we can eat them while we're there.
And we're gonna take the goose egg and turkey egg so my parents can try them. We haven't had a turkey egg, right? So I'm curious, but I'm curious to see what my parents think about this thing.
I did like the goose eggs.
So we'll see what my parents think.
So you guys, that is it for today. We wanted to give you a quick update to keep you in the loop about what's going on this upcoming week. We are super excited for this trip. We can't wait to see Jason's parents and go camping at the ranch and see their new barn. You guys, they got a barn since the last time we've been there. What are you guys looking forward to seeing the most out of this upcoming trip? Are you excited to see the ranch? Are you excited to see the wildlife? Are you excited to see Jason's parents? Are you excited to see their brand new barn? I don't know. Let us know in the comment section below. And also, what do you think? Do you think that they're gonna like the goose egg and the turkey egg? Have you ever tried either one of those, and what did you think about them? Let us know in the comment section below, and thank you guys so much as always for subscribing to our channel and pressing the notification bell, finding us on Instagram and on Facebook, and for joining the Crocker Homestead Facebook family group on Facebook. We love connecting with you guys on there so much. Feel free to join you guys, and thank you. We will see you tomorrow, and when we do, we will be in South Texas.